In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch and configure a high-performance managed cloud VPS with Cloudways. If you're a web developer, store owner, agency, or digital entrepreneur, this is a practical way to get the speed of cloud hosting without the headache of building and managing a server entirely from the command line. We'll go from account access all the way to a live server, connected domain, SSL protection, and a final quick review inside the dashboard. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to cloudways.com. From there, log into your account securely or start the free trial if you're testing the platform for the first time. Once the main Cloudways dashboard finishes loading, look to the top right area and click Launch Now. This opens the server setup area where all provisioning starts. Inside the deployment screen, the first thing you'll do is choose your application stack. Open the section labeled Application and Server Details and select the software environment that matches your project. For example, you might choose the latest WordPress setup, a WooCommerce ready stack for e-commerce, or a custom PHP application. This saves time because Cloudways prepares the environment for you automatically. Next, choose the cloud infrastructure provider that will power your server. If you want a strong balance between price and performance, DigitalOcean is a solid option, especially with its premium plans. If you expect heavier traffic or more demanding workloads, Vultr High Frequency or Linode can be a great fit. For enterprise-grade projects or business-critical applications where availability is especially important, AWS or Google Cloud are the premium choices. After that, set your hardware resources. Use the server size slider to choose the amount of RAM and CPU your project needs. For smaller or moderate websites, 2 GB of RAM and 1 CPU core is a sensible starting point. For larger WooCommerce stores or more resource-intensive sites, moving up to 4 GB or 8 GB can provide extra breathing room. Then select the data center location closest to your main audience, since proximity helps reduce latency and improves the user experience. Once everything looks right, review the pricing shown on screen and click Launch Now to start provisioning the server. Cloudways will handle the setup process in the background, including key server optimizations and firewall configuration. When the server becomes active, open your application and go to domain management. Enter your live domain and save it. Then head to SSL certificate, enter the required details, and install the certificate to enable HTTPS. Finally, do a quick review of the dashboard. Confirm that your server and application names are correct, your resource usage looks healthy, your domain is mapped properly, and there are no warning signs